Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the new chapter, that is lesson number 4, division. What is meant by division? Division means equal distribution or equal sharing of things. Or we can call division means repeated subtraction. What is the equal distribution or what is equal sharing? Let's we learn this through the example. Look at this example. I have 20 apples. How many apples I have? I have 20 apples. I wanted to distribute these 20 apples among two children. Here is one children is there and here one more children is sitting. So I wanted to distribute this 20 apples to these two children. So each children will get how many apples? 10, 10. 10 plus 10 is the 20 now. So I will give 10 for this child and I will give 10 for this child. So total how many apples were left with me? 0 apples, because I have distributed here 20 apples among two children equally. So that apples is shared with these two children. So I don't have any apples here now. So 20 minus 10 is the 10. 10 minus 10 is the 0. So I don't have any apples now. So this process is called as the division. Division in the sense we have to distribute equally or we have to share the things equally. Look at this example. 36 pencils I have. I wanted to distribute among 4 children. 4 how much are 36? 4 nines are 36. So each children will get how many pencils? 9, 9, 9, 9 pencils. Look at this. 9 plus 9 is the 18. 18 plus 9 is how much? 18 plus 2 is the 20. 20 plus 7. 27 plus 9, 36. So total how many pencils are here? 36. These 36 pencils we have distributed among 4 children and each children is getting 9 pencils. Here we have equally shared pencils among 4 children. So each children are getting 9 pencils. So this process is called as division. Division is equal sharing or equal distribution. Look at this example. This example only I have written like this. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. 20 minus 20 is the 0. So what I have written here? Dividend. What is meant by dividend? Which number we are going to divide? Which number is we are going to divide? That number is called 20. In this 20 we are distributing, no, we are dividing this number. So that number is called the dividend. 20 is the dividend. With which number we are dividing? That is called divisor. Okay. 10 is the quotient. What is the 10? We are sharing the numbers equally, no, that is called quotient. What is the remainder? Here we will get 0, that is called remainder. Dividend in the sense which number is going to divide. Which number we are dividing, no, that number is called dividend. With which number we are dividing, that is called divisor. What answer will come, no, that is quotient. After getting answer, will one more 20 minus 20 is 0, that is called remainder. Here nothing is left. Okay, in some examples something will be leaving, but in this example nothing is left. This is called the remainder. Okay, now look at this example. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 3. We are distributing 4 apples or 4 pencils among 3 children. Once we had given 4 pencils for one child, remaining 8 pencils were left. Again from 8 we had given 4 pencils, 4 pencils were left. Again from 4 we have given 4 pencils, 0 pencils are left. So this is called the repeated subtraction. Look at this example. 4 3s are 12. 4 children are there. We are giving 3 pencils to each. 3 children are there. We are giving 4 pencils to each. So we are subtracting each number equally. Okay. This number is called dividend. This number is quotient. This number is 4 divided by 12. 12 divided by 4. 12 we are dividing. 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12 is the 0. 4 is called divisor. 3 is the quotient. 12 is the dividend. And the 0 is called the remainder. So this is called division. This process is called the division. Division is nothing but the equal distribution or equal sharing of the things, or division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Now let's we solve these examples. Recall exercise. What is this? Recall exercise. Divide. You can divide quickly if you remember your tables. What is the question? You can divide this, but when you can divide? When you remember the table. If you know the table properly, you can solve these examples. Look at this. 15 divided by 3 is there. You know the table of 3? Go on telling the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 3 how much are 15? 3 fives are 15. So 3 into 5 is the 15. If you don't know the table of 3, you can't get the answer. So you can divide quickly if you remember your tables. Okay, if you know the tables, you can divide these numbers very easily. So tell me, what is 90 divided by 9? 9 how much are 90? 9 tens are 90. 5 how much are 35? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So 3 how much are 24? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Now 7 how much are 42? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42. So like this you can solve all the recall exercise. I have marked in my content book. That photo I will send you. Those questions only you have to solve in your notebook. Now look at this example. Fill in the blanks to complete the sums. Okay. Now how to solve this number? Here we know the tables and we have solved. Here also we have to use tables. We have to use the 7 table to divide the 500. So look now while dividing you have to check this number, first number. If the first number is smaller than the divisor, first number means dividend first number is smaller than the divisor, you have to take both number for the division. Both you have to 50 number you have to take for division, because 5 we will not get in the 7 table, because 7 ones are 7 directly will get. 5 is less than 7, so you have to take the 50. Now you have to check 50 in the 7 table. If 50 is not there in 7 table, you have to find out near to the 50. Which number is near to the 50, that number you have to take. Okay. Now go on telling the 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 sevens are 49. Now 50 minus 49 is the 1. Now 10 is there in the 7 table? No. Near to 10 which number is there? 7. So 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 3 is the 10 minus 7 is the 3. So like this you have to find out the answer. So here quotient is 71 and remainder is 3. Now look at this example. Here some number they had given and some number they had not given. We have to fill this. So 6 how much are 30? 6 fives are. What will come here? 6 fives are. 6 fives are 30. So 32 minus 30 is the 2 answer. Okay. Now 6 how much are 24? 6 ones are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 minus 4 is the 0 and 2 minus 2 is the 0. So what is quotient is the 54 and remainder is the 0. So like this you have to solve the example. Now look at this example. Question number C, divide. 45 divided by 3 is there. 3 we have to write here and 45 should write inside. 45 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. Okay. While dividing, you have to look at the first number. When the first number of the dividend is bigger than the divisor, then you have to divide only one number. We should not take both the number for division, because 3 ones are 3. 3 is smaller than the 4. So 3 ones are 3, we can write here. So 4 minus 3 is the 1. Now you have to take 5 down. Okay. Now 15 is there. Here 1 is there. 1 we can't subtract, we can't divide from the 3 because 1 is less than the 3. So that time you have to take 5 down and we have to divide these two numbers. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15 is the 0. So quotient is the 15 and remainder is the 0. So like this you have to divide the numbers. One more example. 4 is the divisor. 652 is the dividend. Now here we have to take only 6 for division because 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is the 2. Now we can't divide 2 from the 4. So that time we have to take 5 down. Now 25 we can divide. So 6 4s are 24. We have to search the number near to the 25. If 25 is there, you can write 25. If 25 is not there, you have to search near to the 25. That is 24. 4 6 are 24. Now 1 will, 25 minus 24 is the 1. Now 1 we cannot divide from the 4. Again we have to take 2 down. 12. 4 3s are 12. So quotient is 163 and remainder is the 0. So like this you have to solve the division sums. From the textbook I have marked some examples. Those I will click and I will send you. Those questions only you can solve in your notebook. Thank you.